All right, let's get right into it. If you're in the world of Autodesk, working with AutoCAD, Revit, or 3ds Max, you know your laptop isn't just a piece of hardware. It's basically your business partner. So today, we're going to break down how to pick the perfect high-performance laptop for your work in 2026, so you can spend your time actually creating, not just waiting for things to load.
And isn't that the truth? We've all been there, right? Just staring at a progress bar, trying to orbit a 3D model that's moving like a slideshow. The whole point here isn't just to get a fast laptop, it's to find a machine that just gets out of your way and lets you work. This quote, it really hits home because it perfectly captures that pain point we're here to solve.
So before we even start looking at specific laptop models, we gotta understand what's going on under the hood. What do these incredibly demanding programs actually want from a computer to run well? Let's break down the three most important pieces of the puzzle.
Okay, think of the CPU as the lead architect on your project. The speed of a single core, that's how fast that architect can make decisions and sketch things out. Absolutely vital for all the moment-to-moment modeling you're doing. But then, when it's time to create that final, beautiful render, that's when having more cores is like having a whole team of architects working in parallel to get the job done fast. You really need both.
Now, if the CPU is the architect, the GPU is your professional visualizer. It's responsible for everything you actually see on the screen. It's what lets you spin those huge 3D models around without any lag and makes your real-time walkthroughs look crisp and clean. For any serious Autodesk work today, a powerful, dedicated GPU, that's not a luxury, it's completely non-negotiable.
And this is a brilliant way to think about RAM. It's your digital workbench. If you have a tiny little workbench, you can only work on a couple of small things before it gets messy and you slow down. That's 16 gigs, it's the minimum. 32 gigs, now you've got a proper professional size bench where you can spread out multiple complex drawings. And 64? Well, that's the giant workshop you need when you're building a skyscraper.
Okay, so now that we know what kind of hardware we're looking for, let's meet the contenders. We're not just going to run through a boring list here. Instead, we're going to look at three distinct champions, each one built for a specific kind of professional.
First up, we've got the Lenovo ThinkPad P1. We're calling this one the Balanced Professional. This laptop has become a massive favorite in the industry, and for a really good reason. It's the ultimate all-rounder, built for people who need true workstation power but don't want to be stuck at a desk all day.
So here's the deal. The whole story here is balance. You get that amazing ThinkPad keyboard everyone loves, fantastic cooling so it doesn't slow down when you're working hard, and just gorgeous screen options. Now the catch? Well, that kind of quality comes with a premium price tag, and when you're really pushing it with a render, you'll want to have that charger nearby. It's the trade-off for cramming so much power into a relatively slim machine. This just nails it, doesn't it? Picture an architect who needs to show off a super detailed model to a client, and then take that same laptop out to the construction site to double-check the plans. That's exactly who this is for. It's powerful enough for the office, but portable enough to go out into the field.
All right, next we have a totally different kind of machine. This is the Dell Precision 7780, our stability champion. If the ThinkPad is all about balancing power with portability, the Precision is about one thing and one thing only. Absolute, rock-solid, dependable performance. This is for the pro who says, I need zero surprises, ever.
And the specs tell the whole story. You can load this thing up with an Intel Xeon processor and a staggering 128 gigabytes of RAM. It's literally built to chew through massive, complex projects all day, every day, without even breaking a sweat. The trade-off is pretty obvious, right? It's big, it's heavy, and it is a serious financial investment. This is not the kind of laptop you just casually throw in a backpack.
So who actually needs this kind of raw power? Well, think of an engineering firm designing a massive bridge, or an architecture firm working on a skyscraper with a hugely complex BIM model. For them, the insane reliability of the Precision isn't just a nice feature, it's an absolute must-have.
Now for our last champion, which takes a totally different angle. This one is all about the budget. Meet the Lenovo Legion 5i, our value champion. This machine is here to prove that you don't always need to shell out for an expensive, certified workstation to get killer performance with your Autodesk software.
And this is where it gets really interesting, because it's all about the trade-offs you make. For the money, the performance you get is just incredible, often with a super powerful NVIDIA RTX 4060 or 4070 GPU. So what's the catch? Well, it's not professionally certified, which can matter for some big firms, and let's be honest, the design screams gaming a lot more than it screams boardroom.
And that makes its target audience crystal clear. This is the perfect choice for a student who's just starting out, or maybe a freelancer who needs the most bang for their buck. It delivers the power where it really matters, on the screen and in the performance.
Okay, and this is the perfect time to just pause and see it all laid out. You've got the three champions right here. The ThinkPad for that perfect balance, the Precision for just raw, stable power on giant projects, and the Legion for amazing value. Looking at this, which one of these categories do you think you fall into?
Now, looking at specific models is helpful, but what's even better is having a framework to make the right call for your unique situation. So let's walk through a super simple 3-step guide to help you choose the perfect laptop for you.
Honestly, it's this straightforward. First, just be real about the kind of work you do every day. Are you mostly in 2D AutoCAD, or are you pushing huge Revit models with constant rendering? Step 2, once you know that, you can match the hardware to it using what we talked about earlier. And finally, step 3, you balance your other priorities. How important is portability to you? Do you need a perfectly color-accurate screen? And, of course, what's your budget? Answer those 3 things, and the right laptop will basically choose itself.
I want to leave you with one last thought here. We've spent all this time geeking out about specs, models, and performance. But the real goal of all this tech, it's actually something much, much simpler. This right here, this is the whole point. The best laptop isn't the one with the longest spec sheet or the flashy slides. The best laptop is the one you completely forget you're even using. It's a tool that is so fast, so seamless, and so reliable that it just melts away, letting you focus 100% on your design, your model, your creation.
So I'll just end with this question for you to think about. Take a good look at the machine you're working on right now. Is it a true partner that helps you create, or is it just a source of constant friction and frustration? Because the right tool doesn't just make you more productive, it actually unlocks your creative potential.